To transfer money from PNC Bank, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to have a PNC Bank account and be enrolled in online banking or have the PNC mobile banking app. If you are not enrolled, you can do so by visiting the PNC Bank website and following the enrollment process. Once you are logged into your online banking account or mobile app, you can initiate a transfer. To do this, click on the Transfer Money option and select the account you want to transfer money from. You will then need to select the account you want to transfer money to, which can be another PNC Bank account or an account at a different bank. You will need to enter the recipient's account information, including their account number and routing number. The routing number is a 9-digit number that identifies the bank and is usually found at the bottom of a check. You can also use the PNC Bank routing number lookup tool to find the correct routing number. After entering the recipient's account information, you will need to enter the amount you want to transfer and select the transfer date. You can choose to transfer the money immediately or schedule the transfer for a future date. It is also important to note that there may be fees associated with transferring money, especially if you are transferring money to an account at a different bank. You can check the PNC Bank website for more information on transfer fees. To confirm the transfer, you will need to review the transfer details and click the Submit button. You will then receive a confirmation message indicating that the transfer has been successfully initiated. As a best practice, it is always a good idea to double-check the recipient's account information and the transfer amount to ensure accuracy. You should also keep a record of the transfer, including the transfer date and amount, in case you need to reference it later. In addition to online banking and mobile banking, you can also transfer money from PNC Bank by visiting a branch or using the telephone banking service. However, these methods may require more time and effort, and may also involve additional fees. Overall, transferring money from PNC Bank is a relatively straightforward process that can be completed online or through the mobile app. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure a safe and successful transfer.